So for those people who are concerned that they will develop Alzheimer's in the future, this video is for you. So this is a large, rigorously analyzed cohort study that was published in Nature, and they followed up all of this old people, older adults, and they looked at an association between those who consume the eggs and of course who had physical activity, great physical activity, has good cardiovascular risk, and overall diet that is extremely good, have lower risk of developing Alzheimer dementia. And we know that egg has choline, and choline is important for the structure of the brain, and it is also important for the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. It's a raw material for acetylcholine. And what is that? That is a neurotransmitter important for learning, for memory, and those people who have lost this acetylcholine signaling, that's actually the earliest sign and feature of Alzheimer's disease. So eat eggs for those who are concerned.